But per shot, yun nga, no? Mark Caguioa, JJ Halterbrand, pwede nilang itulak dito na kaya nga kayo na-trade. Dahil hindi namin kayo kailangan dito.
When you look at, I think especially for Willie Miller, that's the one guy na nakikita natin would like to have a good game today because in the stops of Willie Miller in his career, pwede nating sabihin, sa lahat ng dinaanan niya sa Ginebra, hindi siya nakapagpakita ng napakaganda doon sa mga stop niya.
Yun nga, no? Dahil overloaded yung Barangay Ginebra dyan sa posisyon ni Willie Miller. Pero dito sa pagkakalipat naman niya sa Barako Bull, hindi rin naman gaano kagandahan yung kanyang naipakita nung kanyang opening game. Limited to only 8 points in 30 minutes of action.
Yes, it was 30 minutes, but for Willie Miller, he still has the talent, he has the ability, but it will take some time to get used to a lot of things. Unang-una, makalaro ulit ng 30 minutos. Pangalawa, yung sistema na tinatakbo ng Barako Bull. What can he get away with? What is expected from him? So I really think this game is a big game for Willie in which papakita niya dun sa mga fans ng Barangay Ginebra na pwedeng-pwede pa si Willie Miller.
Gusto niya manghinayang, syempre, former two-time MVP ang si Willie the Thriller Miller. At binabanggit na nga natin, Mark Caguioa, JJ Halterbrand, yun ang kanyang mga makakatapat. Isa pa nga abangan natin, kung makakalaro na nga ba etong si Dylan Ababu, the number 10 overall pick ng Barako Bull. Hindi siya pinalaro nung kanyang first game na pwede sana. Dito, tututukan natin yan, Jason.
For Dylan Ababu, he is the only player in that was part of that Smart Gilas squad na hindi nakapaglaro dun sa una nilang laban. A lot of the Smart Gilas players actually had very good starts to their career. For Dylan Ababu, a very quiet one because he sat the entire game on the bench.
Welcome to the Smart This is the 37th PBA season, and welcome to the Philippine Cup. For our second game, some Honorable Energy going up against the Barangay number 6. Let's see the Sunners first from your Honorable Energy. At guard, number 16, Paul Artani. Also at guard, number 11, Willie Miller. At forward, number 18, Elaine Maliksi. Also at forward, number 5, Chunder Salvador. And at center, number 88, Vic Felici. Head coach for Honorable Energy, Silan Bakuli. And now the starting lineup for your Barangay Ginebra Kid. At guard, number 11, Mike Cortez. Also at guard, number 13, J.J. Halterbrand. At forward, number 15, Ronald Tillman. Also at forward, number 2, Billy Morales. And at center, number 14, Rico Villanueva. Head coach for the Jinkies is Sean Tuckinson. Our referees to the ball game are Boy Cruz, Sherman Pineda, and John Camilas, and Lloyd Urana, Johnson, and referee. The same as under the celebration of regulation of the games and of
Jason, JJ Halterbrand, apparently the birthday boy, making his third consecutive start dito sa ating Philippine Cup. Billy Mamaril din, part of the starting unit in all 3 games, pero may minor adjustments para sa magkabilang kabanan.
I think when you look at JJ Halterbrand, it's not really important if he starts or not. But the main concern para kay dito kay Coach Shot Tankinsen is how many minutes ang ibibigay niya kay JJ Halterbrand, because you also want to keep those minutes down because you want to keep JJ fresh for the entire conference.
Laban ng sapula sa puti, nakapula po ang Barako Bull. Artadi, ataking kagad ito si JJ Halterbrand. Maliksi sa kabila, who had an outstanding debut para dito sa Barako Bull. Wala nga lang munti ka rin mawala sa Barako ang bola. Pero napapak sa baseline itong si Halterbrand. 6 seconds to shoot para dito sa Barako Bull Energy, and right away they go to Miller. Catch and shoot. Willie does not connect. Villanueva out-muscles Artadi para sa rebound.
Villanueva out-muscling Paul Artadi. That is a normal situation, I would think. Pero ito naman, Paul Artadi ang gagamitin naman dito, yung bilis niya.
Normal din niya na makakuha ng steal yan as Maliksi dances through, gets his first follow-up, and Maliksi scores the first 2 points in this game.
When you look at the draft that just happened this year, maybe sabihin mo si Maliksi yung pinakamalaking surprise na nakita natin dun sa first round, how early he went. Remember, he went ahead of Dylan Ababu, which was a Smart Gilas player.
Yung wheels advantage ng Barangay Ginebra was at 9. Maliksi was at 8 as Mamaril. Naipasok na yung unang 2 puntos para sa Barangay Ginebra. Just over a minute having gone by sa ating second game ng inyong PBA Friday. Mamaril with a steal. Gets it over to Tubid. Sidestep beauty. Bitin pero merong foul.
Second foul over 18, the late Maliksi, his first one for Bravo Energy. 2 free throws for Ronald Tubid.
Maliksi na pituan ng foul. Ito ang ating PBA D-League MVP nung nakaraang season. Tubid looking to get his offense going early para dito sa Gin Kings.
You know, people might think when you say the D-League, given that Paulie went number 2 and the way he was playing, nasabihin nila, iniisip nila, Paulie must have been the MVP. Pero hindi. Si Maliksi yung nag-MVP nung inaugural conference and season of the D-League.
Split charities para dito kay Tubid. Lamang ang Ginebra 3-2. And the offense of Barako definitely going through Willie Miller. Problema, 0 for 2 na siya from the field. Cortez sa kabilang dulo. Naantala pa ng dalian. Will reset. Cortez looking to dance into the lane. Gets it to JJ for a 3. Punches it through.
On one end, Willie Miller unable to make baskets, and on the other, defensively, natirahan pa siya ni JJ Helterbrand. Not the type of start that Willie Miller was hoping for.
Matapos unang makabutas ng Barako, 6 na dikit-dikit na puntos lang na itala ng Barangay Ginebra. Artadi and his orange shoes. Naipit, 2 to shoot. Salvador has to put it up. Jump hook is good.
One thing that Jondan can do is really be a post presence. Hindi naman kalakihan to si Jondan Salvador, pero when he's at the post, marunong siyang gumalaw talaga.
Tubid. Kontra kay Maliksi. Gusto testingin yung rookie. Manggugulo pa si Artadi. Here's Villanueva. Back to Tubid. 5 to shoot for the Gin Kings. Mamaril from that elbow.
Ano pagkakataon na si Billy Mamaril has made a shot from the outside. If Billy can't make that shot, really allows the guards of Ginebra to be more productive dahil nagkakaroon sila ng option para ipasa doon sa malaki sa labas.
They want to go to Pinisi sa ilalim. Nick Pinisi. Pinander niya, hindi ubra pero merong foul. At ang napansin natin kay Pinisi, nung opening game nila doon sa Inares Antipolo, meron ng poste, mahilig na niya gamitin. At meron pang off the dribble facing the basket. Talagang hilig sumaksak na yun ni Nick Pinisi.
For Mick Pinisi with the size that he has, and especially against Barangay Ginebra, who doesn't really have a lot of players na may kalakihan, pagkakataon talaga na magamit niya yung size niya.
Ito si Pinisi nag-top score doon sa talo ng Barako sa Petron. 16.6 rebounds in 26 minutes of action. Ang problema, 0 for 4 siya noon from the 3-point line. 8-5. Baba sa tatlong abante ng Gin Kings. Helterbrand kontra kay Artadi. Cortez lalabas. 8 to shoot for Barangay Ginebra. Big pick coming from Billy. Cortez 2 to shoot. Pull-up jumper. Mike Nagmintis. Rebound battle. Enrico taps it over to Tubid. Yung familiar elbows na ito ni Tubid. Iniumang niya para hindi siya masundutan. Helterbrand. Bakinapitan sa bewang ni Paul Artadi. That's a personal foul.
JJ doing the right thing, realizes that Paul Artadi bumabantay sa kanya. Might be difficult for him to attack from the outside. Pinostehan niya kagad si Paul Artadi and was able to get a foul.
Mamaril gustong postehan. Etong si Pinisi now facing up. Billy on the run. Huli ni Pinisi. Mamaril not giving up. Third serving.
Good start for Billy Mamaril already with 6 points. And the nice thing about it is nakakuha na siya ng tira sa labas. Tapos yan, umaatake pa siya sa loob. At nakakuha pa ng offensive rebound.
Lamang na si Billy Mamaril sa buong Barako Bull Energy. Pasa ni Artadi, harap-harapang ninakaw ni Cortez. Look at Pinisi, scamper down on defense. Cortez zigzags his way. And Pinisi Maliksi with a rebound. Miller, Tubid ang sasalubong. Hinihingi ni Jondan. They go to Pinisi. Sinipa ni Mamaril yung entry pass.
That's just a bad angle para kay Mick Pinisi. He knows that not really a good pass right there. Lucky na hindi naging turnover yun.
Barako Bull on the attack. Maliksi, nagpakawala ng 3. Mintis, inalawit ni Enrico yung rebound. Cortez sa kabilang dulo. JJ kontra Artadi. Helterbrand looking to extricate himself. Nakita si Enrico on the move. Enrico using the left. Mintis.
Jordan Salvador actually played very good defense there.
Maliksi na una, hindi nakita ni Artadi. Here comes Miller. The thriller. Gustong atrasan si Cortez. Tumulong to Billy Mabs. Penisi. Mintis with that 3-point attempt. 0 for 5 on the season so far. John Dunn, na-traffic. Tatlo sumalubong. Haba pa ng shot clock para dito sa Barako. Artadi off balance. Tinagis na lang. Tumatakbo na ang Barangay Ginebra.
That's just bad realization on the part of Barako Bull that they actually had a new shot clock. Marami pang oras dun sa shot clock nila.
Lobid for 3. Bang!
Turnover, almost a turnover on one end because it's such a poor shot. Results in a break on the other side. Lamang kagad ang Barangay Ginebra ng 8.
13-5 ang nasa ating dalaan. Magbabalik po kami dito sa... Kanina, iniisip na natin kung makakapaglaro na nga ba si Dylan Ababu sa ball game na ito. Aba, alam ni Aaron Ataide kung ano ang kwento dyan. Aaron?
Thank you, Magu. Kinausap ko nga si Dylan kanina at tinanong ko sa kanya kung ano rin yung feeling na siya na lang yung naiiwang Smart Gilas player na hindi pa nakakalaro. Sabi niya, syempre may konting kaba rin yan kasi sabi sa kanya ni Coach Junel Baculi, baka ngayon yung laro na mapapapasok siya sa floor. And sinabi na rin niya na kahit may konting sakit siya, konting pawis lang, mawawala na rin yan. Magu.
Maraming salamat, Aaron. Pagka nga naman bibigyan ka na ng pagkakataon makalaro sa kauna-una mong official PBA game. Talagang kahit ano pa nga sakit yan, ipapagpag mo lang yan.
This is a game that you've been waiting for as a player, not as a professional, as a player. Mula pa naglalaro ka lang doon sa mga park and or sa school, your dream is to play in the PBA and wear the dawn colors of a professional squad.
Artadi with a miss. Etong Barako Bull, after scoring the first 2 points, tatatlo pa lamang ang naidagdag. Aba, 13 nang naibomba ng Ginebra dyan. Cortez gustong dagdagan all the way. Baliktad yung Pectus. Pero tapi ka ng bola. Napunta kay JJ. Pumukol ng 3. Mintis yung second attempt niya. Yancy could not collar the rebound.
Let's see right now for Barako Bull if they're going to set up a play because they haven't had some good looks itong mga huling pagkakataon nila.
Miller kontra Helterbrand. 13-5. 8 ang habante ng Barangay Ginebra. Jinking Miller finally.
Willie Miller tried to connect earlier in mid-range shots. Ngayon nakaharap po siya ng range niya. And this one happened from 3-point range.
That is his first 3-point shot dito sa 37th season. Tubig, babawi naman. Mintis. Yancy taps it out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Energy.
Substitution from the coming in for Michael Chess, Artadi with JJ Helterbrand, and Willie Arboleda.
Arboleda, pumasok na rin sa ating laro. Malas din. Ito si Paring Winnie nung kanilang opening
And
game.
for Mark Caguioa, the headband is back at meron pang proposal. Aba, alam ba ng pinsan mo na pinipenta mo na siya?
Baka hindi nakita yung sign, no? Mary Mike Cassie. Baka Mary yung pangalan ko.
Wrong spelling yun.
13-8. Barangay Ginebra still by 5 points. Miller on the attack. Siya huling nakatres dito. Penisi! Back 3 for the Energy.
Last 6 points, you have to say, was the responsibility of Willie Miller. On one end, on the first time around, tumira siya ng 3-pointer. The next time around, was able to set up Nick Benitez.
Napaganda yung timeout ni Coach Junel Baculi. Come up with 6 consecutive points. Villanueva sa poste. Nakita si Caguioa. The spark. Nabitawan. Naguluhan ni Miller. Here comes Arboleda with Maliksi with him. Arboleda all the way. Naguluhan ni Little Rob Labagala.
Number 5, Rob Lamagala. His first 17 foul for the team.
Paring Winnie, may pagkakataong makahiskor na dito sa 37th season. Aba, in 20 minutes of action, starter pa siya doon sa laban nila kontra Petron. 0 for 2 shooting, 0 points ang naitala niya.
You don't really look at the numbers and points on the board because you can see he only took 2 attempts. Ang importante rin sa kanya, yung leadership. Speaking of guys that will need some leadership on the floor because it's their first time around, pumasok na si Dylan Ababu.
At may timeout munang request ang Barangay Ginebra after Barako has strung together 8 consecutive points. Tabla na ang ating labanan, 13 sa 13, 4:19 remaining in this opening quarter. Jason, isa sa mga pinagkikwentuhan nating tututukan nating matchup etong ating former two-time MVP na si Willie Miller at ang kanyang head-to-head battle with arguably yung muntika ng maging MVP ng 2 beses na si Mark the Spark Caguioa.
Both guys have really creative and both guys can score. When they had an opportunity to be together, yung siguro naging problema because both guys are big scorers. It seemed that they almost had to look over their shoulder if they weren't playing well. But now Mark Caguioa is the bona fide #1 scorer para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Same is the case para dito kay Willie Miller. At napakagandang backcourt banggaan yan sa araw na to.
Ito si Caguioa, a picture of consistency. 16 ng opening game kontra Rain or Shine. 16 din ang binuhos niya kontra sa Alaska. Ang tala si Willie Miller 8 puntos nga inaitala niya nung kanyang unang laro. Dito naghahanap na siya ng bawi. We swing back to live action. Labagala kasama si Villanueva, Caguioa, Tubid, and De Ocampo para sa Barangay Ginebra. Natapak sa sideline itong si Rob Labagala dahil sa gulo ng depensa ni Arboleda.
Little things that Winnie does that really help his team right there. Nagulat si Labagala dahil pinressure siya ni Willie Miller and that led to that turnover.
Ababu now on the floor para dito sa Barako Bull Energy and away from play. Merong foul. Yan si De Ocampo nahulihan ng foul away from play. Holding daw. Ababu kasama si Pinisi, Arboleda, Peña, and Miller. Tignan mo naman yung front court yun. Pinisi at Peña, they might not be the youngest front court pero napakatindi. Nakabanggaan yan. Up and under, Arboleda with a miss. Peña. Nabrabig na muwersa. Pumasok pa!
Shoot with his right hand because he had to spin the opposite way. Pero magandang finish pa rin mula kay Dorian Peña.
And this now is a 10-0 run para sa Barako Bull Energy. Lamang na sila dito, 15-13. Villanueva. Atake. Konting espasyo, he pulls up and picks up a foul on Nick Pinisi.
Foul number 88, that's the third team foul for Barako Bull Energy.
Wala na pong 3 kalating minuto natin dito sa ating opening quarter. Villanueva is at the line for 2. Pamela Jason, this 37th season of the Philippine Basketball Association is now aired in the Middle East and Guam on Action TV International. Watch it in the Middle East on OSN and in Guam on NCV Broadband. Kamusta po sa inyong lahat na nakakamiss sa ating bayan? At least may PBA ka nang mapapanood dyan.
Pero importante doon sa mga kababayan natin na wala dito sa Pilipinas. At least they have that opportunity to still follow the league that they love.
Isa ang abante ng Barako Bull. Arboleda to Miller for another 3. Not this time. Yancy, naguluhan sa rebound pero nalastan yung bagong pasok na si Donalyado. Ang laki ng frontline na itong Barako, no? May Pinisi, Peña, Aliado, ibang klaseng rotation. Meron si Coach Junel Banguli dito.
You know, he has the size, but it's, they do have size. The only problem is they are advancing in age. Itong mga malalaki ni Coach Junel. And we know that for a number of years, Dorian not really able to finish a full season dahil nagkakaroon ng injury.
Nakabata na yata dyan si Johnson Salvador sa rotation na yan. No? As Caguioa is stripped up. Yun ang personal yan para dito kay Peña. Wala na kung 3 minuto natitira sa ating unang yugto. Leo Avenido. Kapalitan na si Willie Miller. Sideline inbound para sa Barangay Ginebra. Canaleta, yung top scorer ng Barangay ng nakaraan. 17.7 rebounds, best player of the game honors. At may foul ulit kay Dorian Peña, pangalawa yan.
Dorian pretty upset because that play away from that foul away from play. At sayang yung mga foul niya doon sa mga mapipituhan siya sa mga sitwasyon na gano'n.
Napagala. Hanapin si Yangtze. Pero he goes cross court to Impal. JC lumipad. Ako, puro board lang, tinamaan. Arboleda gets it over to Ababu. Dylan on the run. Takes it strong to the hole. Ababu gets the 2 points.
First 2 points para kay Dylan Ababu as a pro. Didn't play the first time around, but a lot of people very high on the skill set of ito si Dylan Ababu.
Kahit yung mga Gilas teammates niya, nagulat daw sa baba ng pagkakadraft dito kay Dylan. Ito, titignan natin kung patutunayan niya. Dun sa siyam na team, o sa siyam na pick na na-overlook siya. Kung ano nga ba ang halaga niya. Peña will lose the leather to the baseline. 17-14 coming upon the 2-minute warning. Barako still up by 3. Bigla na lang umarangkada ng bilis itong si Dylan doon sa layup niya kanina.
He's sneaky fast ito si Dylan Ababu, but the thing that it's quite evident is he has a lot of length. Mahaba si Dylan, that's why when he's able to attack, mahirap siya sa palpalin.
Tandaan natin, Jason, former college MVP yan para sa USD. Alam mo, the skills are there, the game is there, yung breaks lang, nung medyo naburo siya doon sa Gilas, baka yung kumpiyansa, nabasag, ano?
You know, confidence, he has to rebuild that confidence. Has an opportunity today to play some major minutes because Danny Seagal will not be available para dito sa Barako Bowl.
Nice shot, oh. Nababasa kaya ni Kagiwa yun? Kanyang marriage proposal.
Kami magalit sa kanya dyan, ha?
Mamaya, tatanong natin kay Erica. Alam ko, may kwento si Erica tungkol sa love life nito ni Mark Kagiwa mamaya. Ababu once again. This time, dun sa kabilang dulo, 2 for 2 is Dylan Ababu.
And Dylan Ababu, yung mga puntos niya. The nice thing about him, medyo swabe siya pag umatake ito si Dylan Ababu.
Sinasabi mga sneaky fast, ano? Hindi siya parang doubler yung dating, pero nakakarating, naiiwan pa rin ang defender. Kagiwa, babawi sa kabilang dulo. Aba, yun ang master na master niya.
Mark Kagiwa, nice to see that he's wearing that headband again. The last game, parang kulang si Mark Kagiwa dahil di naka-headband.
Hindi mo mamukaan, no? Nawala na yung mohawk niya, nawala na yung kulay sa buhok, at least yung headband nabalik. Aliado from the outside. Don Carlos with a miss. Tabagala snatches the rebound. Kagiwa na naman. Kagiwa. Aba, natukod yung kamay sa outside pagsalo niya ng bola.
Yeah, Mark Kagiwa has always been on the threshold of being out of control. And the thing with him is when he goes out of control, that's when he turns the ball over. Exactly what happens sa sitwasyon na yun.
19-18, lamang pa rin ang isa ang Barako Bull. Avenido, top of the key. Na-traveling.
A tough call there. It seemed like a regular a jab step for a shot.
Coach Junel Bakulit tuloy, nag-chat-chat sa kabilang dulo. Barangay Nebra with possession. Labagala, slide CMC, hindi nakita. Rob over Canaleta.
Tough matchup para kay Donald Yado if KG Canaleta is able to use his speed.
Kagiwa, ginuguluhan ni Avenido. Ford to shoot. Marcus Smart delivery.
Mark Kagiwa takes shots like that, you're almost saying to yourself, naku, bad shot, pilit. But he has proven throughout his career that he can make that shot.
Last shot time para sa Barako Bull Energy. Subukan nilang nakawin ang abante at the end of the first quarter. Outside jumper, Aliado gets it, pero may possession pa dito ang Ginebra. Labagala, is he aware? Gustong iwan ito si Arboleda. Labagala drops it off. Diyan na magtatapos ang unang 12 minuto ng action. Barako up by 120-120. An interesting first quarter dito, Jason.
Interesting first quarter. Guards na sinabi natin na magpapakita. Nagpakita nga. JJ Helterbrand with a 3-pointer. On the other hand, Dylan Ababu finally making his start and making the coach look good na ginamit siya. Mark Kagiwa always there scoring para sa Barangay Ginebra.